You just built your new PC, or maybe you are finally upgrading to Windows 11. For that, you plug in your bootable USB or pen drive, you get through the language settings, then you click install now, and everything feels great, right? You accept the terms, select custom install, pick your hard drive, and then click next. And after this, your heart drops because you get hit with this exact message. This is an error selecting this partition for install. You can't click next, you can't format it, you are completely stuck in between of installation and formatting. Today I am going to show you the hidden command prompt trick that forces your PC or device to wipe this error out so you can get back to your installation. Usually, it's because of your hard drive is stuck in an old format called MBR, but Windows 11 strictly requires the new GPT format, or there are hidden partition tables clashing with the setup. Let's boot back into the USB setup and fix this right now. Okay, we are back on the setup screen. Instead of clicking next, hold down the Shift and F10 at a time or at once. This secretly opens the command prompt, or you can say CMD, of your device right inside the installation menu. Now carefully type each and every command. Let's get started. First command, Diskpart, and hit enter. After Diskpart, type list disk and hit enter. This tells the PC to show us every hard drive connected right now to this device. Look at the list and find the drive you want to install Windows on. If you want to select 0, if you want to select 1, or whatever, 2, 3, whatever you have. For most of you, it will be disk 0 by default. If you want to going with by default, type select disk 0 and hit enter. Now, before doing this, listen me very carefully. This command will erase absolutely everything on this drive, or I mean this drive. If you have family photos or important data regarding your professional life, stop and back up an entire data first. That's the first priority. If you are ready, type command clean and hit enter. Sometimes you might type it wrong. Just take your time and retype it. Once it says Diskpart succeeded in cleaning the disk, your drive's formatting is officially done. Type exit to leave Diskpart and type exit one more time to close the command prompt. We are back on the partition screen. Just click the refresh button. Look at that. Your drive is now completely clean and shows up as unallocated space. Select, click next, and watch. Windows 11 now starts its installation perfectly. If this PcomLap's tutorial just to save your PC or laptop or your device, hit that subscribe button and drop a like. Check the descriptions for our step-by-step PDF guide for this particular problem in Hindi, in English. Both are available in the description. See you in the next one. Till then, tech beyond expectations.